Sound surrounds us. Sound connects us to the world through music, communication, and danger alerts. However, the World Health Organization reports that a staggering 5% of the global population experiences hearing loss significant enough to require rehabilitation. A part of this population with severe to profound hearing loss can have their hearing partially restored using a neuroprosthetics device called a cochlear implant. A cochlear implant has two main components, external and internal. The external part consists of a microphone to sample sound, which is processed by a sound processor to convert the sound into electrical information. This information is sent to the internal component. Let's have a look what happens inside the ear. In the inner ear, we have a tiny snail-shaped organ called cochlea. Sound information is transmitted to the cochlea through the scala vestibuli. It creates vibrations in the scala media and exits through the scala tympani. The vibrations stimulate the spiral ganglion neurons with high frequencies at the base and low frequencies at the apex. For patients with sensorineural hearing loss, the neurons do not get this information. Therefore, they are artificially stimulated using the cochlear implant. With a cochlear implant, an electrode array is inserted inside the cochlea. This array has multiple electrode contacts to stimulate different regions of the cochlea depending on the frequency information of incoming sound. However, the electric current has a wide spread, which limits the number of perceptually different channels to about 10. This leads to poor understanding of speech in noisy environments and limited appreciation of music. A solution to this problem is to use optogenetics, which uses light for stimulation, as light can be better confined in space. This promises improved spectral selectivity, and there have been several preclinical proof-of-concept studies to show the potential of such optogenetic stimulation.